Hi, my name is Colenus Wapra. I'm going to be your trainer throughout this course. Our topic for this training is learn how to use MailChimp email marketing. This is a complete step-by-step guide for all beginners. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a process or means of sending emails or process of communicating to your customers through electronic means. In summary, it is used for sales and for marketing purposes. What is being covered on this course? We'll be covering MailChimp sign-up stroke setup, how to manage and create email lists, creating campaigns, creating templates, use of segments, creating customized Optin forms, embedding Optin forms to your WordPress website, learn how to analyze and keep track to your campaigns, and many tips to be a successful email marketer. Why is email marketing a better way of increasing sales? This method of reaching customers is a better way of promoting your brands. It is very easy to manage and very cheap in price. It is the best investment a business owner can make for himself. You track your sales, track behavior of subscribers. That is, who has clicked your campaign, who has subscribed. Who are my clients? I must tell you that majority of your clients are those local business around you. So relax now and let us do it together, step by step. Thank you. Welcome to MailChimp email marketing platform. For you to sign in or sign up this MailChimp platform, this is sign up here, which is free. But if you have got an account, you log in here. I have got an account, so I'm going to log in here. Okay, welcome to this MailChimp platform dashboard. This is dashboard of MailChimp. So each time you are not on this section, if you are new, always click on this icon or this logo. So everything we'll be doing will be based on this header menu: campaign templates, lists, reports. Okay, we'll show you how to manage everything here. This is campaign, or how to send out campaign. Show you how to create template or design a template to enable you or save you time anytime you want to send out a campaign. We'll show you how to create a list, which is simple. A list is just a place where your subscribers' emails are stored. This is where you manage your subscribers' email. So reports show you how to analyze this. That will enable you to know when you send out campaign. So it will enable you to know who has clicked on your campaign, who has subscribed on your campaign, who has unsubscribed, and the locations on where your customers are coming from. So I will show you how to do all these things. So without waste of time, I will just demonstrate to you what it's all about. But before that, before you create a campaign, there must be an email list. You must have created a list. Okay? And for you to send that campaign, there must be one subscriber's email to enable you to send out a campaign. I will show you what it means. As we proceed, you will know what I mean. So this is list. So these are lists I have created. So, but for you to create a list, you click here, create a list. Okay? Reports. You report. These are list I have created. So for you to check the report, you click on each of them, you view report. Okay, this enable you to analyze. You can see here open rate. This somebody here opened it but never clicked, so that's why it's 0. You can see here open. So for you, if you want to see who opened it, you click on this. Okay, so you can see this is me. I opened it because this is here. So more you open it, more you are being rated. I've opened it 2 times. Let's go back again. So if you have sent out a campaign for your sales, if somebody has bought something from you, you will see it here. That will enable you to analyze where the money is coming from. Okay, this is this. Total openings 2, successful deliveries 100%. Okay, clicks per days 0. Okay, so this also, there's no graph here because we've not really done much here. If not, you should have seen a graph here, and that will enable you to it helps you to know the time you send out your campaign, whether it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or late evening, afternoon, night. So anytime you know, but I will tell you the best time to send such campaign. So top links clicked. So from Twitter 0, Facebook with 0. So if you want to view more, you view more. Okay, so subscribers with most openings, that's this guy, that's me here. I opened it 2 times. Okay, so that's what it is. So that's where this is where it's coming from. Top locations, this. Okay, so without waste of time, then I will show you. We will continue from here. And again, this is your name or your account here. When you open account, this is where it will appear, and it is from here. Account, we'll be getting our API keys for MailChimp integration. Okay, so thank you, and hopefully you will enjoy this training. Thank you.